Well, so hello students. So now exactly on your based on NATA exam pattern, we come up with the question series, which you guys are always waiting for every day. So let's start the today's question series. You are supposed to count the first question based on your pattern. You are supposed to count the rock sculpture over here in this composition. So let's start counting it from the right and the edge or left in the middle from anywhere. So let's start from the right in the edge, the first one where you can see the cursor right now. That's the first one. Now let's see after the first one, second one. So again, cursor has reached to the second rock sculpture. Third one is again the smaller one before the biggest one. So yeah, that is the third one. And the fourth one, the biggest rock sculpture which you can see in this composition. So first four we have counted, and now if you will go just next to that leg one here, there you can see the one fifth one. That's a minute. Half of the rock sculpture only is the seen. That is the fifth one you can see in this composition. So we were able to count till here first five. Now we are moving forward to sixth one, which is again seen individually, kept it there, and you can see the round the cursor which is moving here on the screen, makes you to focus in this question. Seventh one is here now, that is there, you can see the cursor, and now easily you can see that the eighth one also, the before the another the bigger rock sculpture, before that you can see the eighth one. Ninth one is behind that, the bigger one, no doubt, and 10th one is the left corner as of this composition or this image, we can say that. So that's what you have counted, the exactly 10 here which is there in the composition. So similar question if will come in the exam, do not miss it guys. Well, so make sure, do not forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon button of our channel, and make sure this family which you are making it every day bigger and bigger, the 1 million view family, it's not possible because of you guys. So there's a lot of love from our side, and I wish you all get the best mark in your entrance exam. Go and follow our Instagram page and write your question, we'll answer you, will help you in that. Now this question, if we'll see, identify the four most important visual principle over here. So now look at this composition, the first word, what comes in the mind? Contrast. Yes, it's a black and white and nicely composed. So that's what you have to see, that look at the all words are below. Select the four appropriate. How you will select, I've told you before. Divide the words in categories. Yes, divide the word in different categories. Yes, students. I will again stop it here, and between I will tell you this is the full length test paper for a part A. So do not forget to watch the entire video of it. Get the all solution if you have given the test with Ignite India, and clear your all doubt. If you haven't, then solve it with me right now. These questions are, you will get the all right answer with me right now. Your expert Krishnan Singh here live with you. Well, so moving forward, so I said the first contrast. Let's see the other words are which keep this image in the mind. Let's see the other words are which is here in the list. Oh, balance. Yeah, it is balancing. Very nice composition. If we'll go through the all direction symmetry, and also another words which we'll see that the focal point, there is a focal point in this composition. Yeah, no doubt there's a contrast which I have told you. Where was the focal point? Where was the balance and contrast? So let's go back. I will show you the focal point. So if you will go on that center where you can see my cursor right now, that is the focal point. Contrast, black and white. There is a like, so all the words, why that for you will take on the above other hierarchy, depth, and order, that is clear over here for you. Now let's move to the question number third. So I am giving you the question and explanation hand on hand. So now another for the question here, it's become a color composition. Now look at this composition and talk about the word which comes. So what comes in your mind? If you will take, do you want to take depth, or you want to take symmetry? You want to take so you can take only the one word. So I will take the first one is depth. I told you the 6 right answer will be there. You have to select the 4 most important. Now apart from the depth, what all word will goes with this composition? Let's see here below in the our list. So we can see that symmetry, no doubt the symmetry is there. So that is again the different category. Depth is there, symmetry is there. But we can, if I'm taking a word of depth, we cannot take vanishing point, because both in same category. So avoid the same category word, then what else will come in your mind? There is a very colorful effect is here. So that's what you will select, that word. And it's quite vibrant, it's very bright. A lot of things are happening in this composition. So that's what we will go back and check once, is that really happening? A lot of things in this composition. Yeah, look at here, vibrant color. yellow and blue, suddenly antique, another pillar, another color, then another pillar, and a lot of things. So that's what we say, that this composition is quite vibrant. So look at the all different possible aspect of your composition. You will get the best four. Always keep in mind, you are not just here to find the appropriate word. Oh, is it 3D or not? You are here to select the best four which is possible in the composition. This is the mantra for your exam, guys. Let's move to the next question, which I want to explain you in this paper if you have given. Yeah, so here what is happening, there are the four images and now you have to find the fifth one. So you have to tell me which one you think it's right. Option A, option B, option C, option D. So right answer is the option D. Why? Solve it and let me know, because you can see that how the order is changing, how it's replacing A to first image to third image, what is the relation, second to fourth, how it is, and then is followed by same, it will be the next image. Based on that, the answer will be the D. Question number 5, we will see quickly over here on the screen right now. Well, so based on the color compositions over here, look closely. I will read this question for you. Look closely to the below image. Identify one of the, like, out of this, what you have out of this person, like, personalize who would be the most appropriate match of the given color palette. So normally we make the color palette and we make our color to before our painting. So now you have these colors over here, starting the black, gray, orange, skin color, and towards the reddish tone. Look at this four most important visuals are over here, given here, the natural visuals. So now that's on your screen right now, and tell me which one you think is going correctly. Just think on it 100 times and then decide. Option number A, let's use the eliminate method. Not possible, because those grayish and blackish color is less somehow in this. Option number B, yeah, it can be possible, because we can see that all lighter tone also is there a bit, and although grayish tone is also there. Then we'll move to the option number C. C is having a black but not gray, and the D is completely out of the color palette. So we are left with the B, and that's what the B is the right answer for this question. Let's see the right answer. Yes, B is the right answer. Now we are here to the next question, question number 6. Again, you have to find the color palette, but here it is a bit difficult. You have so many color to look at this, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here is just opposite, reverse way. You have here 6 answer. Out of the 6, you have to select the right one. Look at the composition very carefully, started eliminating it. We have given you such question, you know why? Because if you will solve this kind of the level of the composition, easily you can match the exam level of the composition. Let's look at the next one, which come on your screen right now. Yeah, so I will take you through this questions again, if you want me to take you through this one. Well, so yeah, question number 7. Look at this one again. We'll use for this also eliminate methods. We will see that what is the question is which one, this image similar to this one, which one is black and white. So start eliminating from A, B, C, D, E. I see A1 is easily I can eliminate, because if you will see, first thing, again I will go back to question. I would like to say you guys, you need to read the question very carefully. In the question, it is very clearly mentioned which one is black and white. So do not leave it here. Oh, black and white, I have solved this question, I know the answer. No. Look, read the entire question. Black and white composition on the right hand side. That means right side of the composition. Resemble the color composition below. So left hand side, if something else is happening, doesn't matter. If it's completely changed also, doesn't matter. You have to match only with the right hand side. And when you started eliminate method, which I have told you in the previous question, if you follow that, you will get here option number B is the correct option here. That is the right answer. What all you need to check? Right hand side, you match the motive size, you match the total, like, that's what you will able to eliminate. The option number F, you match the different total number of the motive, then you can match the placement, then you can see the size, and based on that, if you will look at the all aspect, all these 5 factors, you will get to know, yeah, B is the right answer for the question number 7. Now quickly we have reached in the this paper next question, and that is the question number 8. Yeah, well, I have explained you similar question. Finding the answer is very easy over here in this. Look at the method and see that the pick the any one element and let's see where it will place. So if you will see the okay red dot circle which is there in separately, if you will pick that one and you will try to find out where it will place. Well, so out of that only, if you will see easily, you can find it. Option number A is the right answer. I do not need to look for anything else because I have taken the first red dot one. That is their place in the corner. And after that, if you move to it, repetition of it, if you'll do it option number A and B, repetition in option number C and D in that way. So that will be the right answer. So that's what we got the here. The question number A, right answer is here. And that you got it already. Now question number 9. The most visual impressions are, again you have to find all the 4 keywords. We have given you surprise here. In this part also you have to find the most important visual principles. You have to relate only here this 2-dimensional image. The 4 most important words are which will go with this. So let's just select using the same method. You select the 4 word which you thinks going here. The obviously there is a rhythm and vibration happening. So for most important word is vibration. I will go for first vibration, and obviously it's creating so much light and dark. So we'll go back to the depth. Yeah. So look at the all words always on your screen. Then you select the 4 most important. There is a flow and it's very complex. So important 4 one. Well, so now the last one, which is the question number 10, which is the blue color. And if you have attended my class, you know how important manly color, and I really like and I explain a lot about the blue color. Now 4 personality. Do not look at the color composition around him, like you know what is, that's what they're in the option. So the 4 personality, blue color talk or resemble what? Blue color resemble coolness, calmness, trust, at the same time passion for your work, dedication, and you are trustable enough for people. So we see that this color is, we see in the so many banking, we see so many like, you know, insurance company, sky, water, sea, no limit, that courage, guts. So if you count about all this, out of this 4 personality, which is here, you all will say the option number 1. So tell me the name, tell me the story. He was quite famous last year. And what happened during the India and Pakistan, the small, like, you know, there was a small operation by the India. So what happened in that? What is the story related to him? Make sure you write in the comment box. Correct options are which will come. So there will be a lucky person will get a very special gift from us. Well, guys, so make sure do not forget to write about him also. And before exam, just relax. We are trying hard to give you the all best possible things are from our side. You know, you guys are accessible on YouTube to us. But do not forget to like and subscribe here so that the all video will come to you. Because if you're liking the way we are, whatever you guys are trying and wanting from us, if you are reaching us honestly enough, make sure motivate us, subscribe and like us so that it will be there from your side. What we can make this family more big and big. And to be part of Ignite family, go and immediately follow us on Instagram. Write your question. We'll continue this journey throughout your, like, you know, upcoming counseling, admission, and the journey in architecture. So thank you so much, guys. I am here with you live from my studio. So welcome, guys. And I would like to say, end of the day, best of luck. Take care. Have a proper, like, you know, food, rest. And before exam, do not let anxiety come. If something happened, contact us. Our team will help you in that also. Thank you so much for your constant love and support for Ignite India and making this family every day more bigger and bigger. Once again, thank you so much to making us 1 million view channel in the first ever in design architecture management courses in the India, the biggest one. Thank you, guys. Thank you once again.